Today's episode of Cooking for Kyle, we're going to be making a cold pasta salad, shown here with cheesy poofs. We're going to start by filling up our... What? Why don't we have any water? Well, that's not going to work.
Spare water.
Turn that on high heat. Forget when your water comes back to refill your top off your reservoir so that you're good to go next time you lose water. They were just flushing the mains, it wasn't any big deal. You can use about a pound of whatever kind of pasta you like. I like rotini for pasta salad. I would normally get the tricolor, but during the pandemic they were sold out. Don't forget to salt your water for your pasta boil. Give it a good stir. Set your timer for 7 minutes. If you're gonna walk away from it, you gotta do the wooden spoon trick. Timer went off. So we get your strainer bowl straight. And then you want to flush it with cold water, the cold pasta, so you want to cool this off. Now you gather all of the things that you think sound tasty inside of a pasta salad and you dice them up. Which brings us to my mind, the one non-negotiable ingredient. You gotta have fresh dill. It's delicate, tart, and tangy. So, the way that you use dill is, I have no idea, but, you know, I can guess with the best of them. So, generally I think we want the leaves and we don't want the stems as much, so kind of, you know, try to get leaves, try not to get stems so much. Not that you can't have stems, but I think they got less flavor and more pulp. So something like that. And we're gonna dice that up. And sprinkle it into the salad. Now we have all of our ingredients. Now we just need the sauce. So now we're going to concoct our dressing. I'm going to use real mayo. How did I get Kraft real? Oh, I remember. Like there was like during the, you know, the pandemic, there was like everyone bought everything, and this is the only kind of mayonnaise that was something. So yeah, so you know, some mayonnaise, some sugar, some vinegar. I'm gonna try a red balsamic. I usually just do white vinegar in this, but we'll see. Try to ruin it. And probably a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. And so basically you pour this in and mix it up, and if it doesn't taste right, you add something else. A bit more sugar, not quite sweet enough. This is very much in the Midwest sugary, mayonnaise-y kind of dressing vein. We're not doing anything fancy here. I think it's alright. Dash of salt. A pinch of pepper. Stir that up. We're going to put that onto the salad, and if it doesn't look like it covers, we'll make some more. This is what happens when you don't follow a recipe. So we're going to go ahead and pour that on. And then we're just going to toss it. Make sure everything gets mixed up so that everything gets touched together. And so, yeah, so I don't have any idea what the amounts should be, so we'll just mix this up, taste it, and whatever it tastes like it lacks, we'll put that in. So now everything is mixed together. It's time to give it a taste. That's perfect. Now we're going to set this into, well, I'll get out. We're not ready for the plating yet. We're actually going to put all this stuff into a Tupperware bowl so that we can put it in the fridge. It needs to sit for a few hours anyway to make sure that all of the lovely flavors coalesce together. My bowl may not be quite big enough, or maybe it will. It's gonna be close. Wish me luck. I'm going in. Going all in. I think we can make that work. See if the lid fits. Voila. Now we need to good luck finding a place in them. Oh, there we go. Put it in the fridge, get it out in 2 or 3 hours, and then we'll do the plating.
Nicole, we seem to have a president who thinks that, medical training doesn't really matter, even though he said that what he's, was a joke essentially. But his words do have an effect. And I'll be, even more candid. I was pretty disappointed in Dr. Birx. I understand she was caught off guard, but this isn't really something that you have to even placate. As a health professional, the responsible thing to do is to shut it down and say, no, nobody should ingest anything or put anything into the human body. We actually have cases of children who already do this and hurt themselves, kill themselves. So this is not trivial. And Nicole, just one step further, the policy, I mean, we have systematically been shutting down science. And the fact that states and local health officials have to spend time responding to this instead of actually testing people, tracing, and working on a real response to COVID is an even bigger slap, and every governor should be sending a bill to the White House for the opportunity cost of today just to spend time on dispelling this insanity.
And the most important part, the plating. What you do is you take, you can use a bowl or a plate, and you scoop with a spoon this pasta salad onto the plate. And whatever you like on the side, I'm going to try some cheesy poops on the side. Bon appetit.